Hello everyone and welcome to Loyola Moodle Tutorials. Today I'm going to be starting off by giving you kind of a basic rundown on Moodle, how to navigate, what the different parts mean, and all that kind of stuff. So this first page here you see is the first page you get to after you sign into Moodle. Now you can also get to this page from clicking on one of the links on the right hand side of your inside page. This is where all of your classes will be listed. As you can see here, I only have one, and your teachers will be listed right below it. Now, moving on, the settings box on the right side is where you'll go to change some of your settings in Moodle, such as your profile picture. Right below that is the calendar. Now, the calendar is linked with your classes, so any days that you have assignments, it will be highlighted on your calendar. So, for example, on these 2 days here, I have assignments due. Now, you have to be careful with this because if your teacher doesn't actually load any assignments onto Moodle, then nothing will show up on the calendar. Now moving on, a little bit lower down you can see the navigation menu. This is used to navigate your way through the site by clicking on the links. This is similar to a table of contents. So now if we click on our course page in Moodle, that will take us to our course homepage. Now if we look over on the right side over here, we can see a box labeled Quick Mail. Now there's a tutorial on how to use Quick Mail, and you can get to that video by clicking on the link here. Now if we move a little bit further down the screen, on this right hand side right below the navigation menu, you can see the upcoming events. This is also linked to the calendar. It's very similar. Although they're listed chronologically as they're due. But again, you have to be careful with this because if your teacher doesn't actually upload assignments when they're due, nothing will show up here, so you have to be a little bit careful about that. Now if we move back up to the top of the course page for this class, you can see the first link down here says news forum, and it has the little green and blue speech bubble icon, and that's how you know that it is actually a discussion forum. All discussion forums will have this icon. Now again, you can see the discussion forum icon here. That's how we know that it's a discussion forum, and there's also another tutorial on how to use a discussion forum, and you can get to the link here. Next we have the wiki page, and you can tell that by the icon here. Now there's 2 videos on how to use a wiki page in Moodle, and you can get to the links for those videos here and here. Next up we have the assignment submission, and you can tell that by the brown clipboard here. The link for the video tutorial on how to submit an assignment is right here. Now right below that is Turn It In. This is also an application used to turn in assignments for students. It's a little bit different in that it allows the professor to edit the paper a little bit and also scan it for plagiarism. So some professors may prefer to use this. If so, then you can get to the video tutorial through the link here. And that's all for us today at Loyola Moodle Tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.